So today, we are going to make game mod menus. Yes, you heard that right. Android game mod menus using your mobile phone. Let me show you some examples so you can become interested in it. Here are some mods I created for these games. See how cool they are? You can also make a similar kind of mod menu for your favorite game. Well, now your question will be how to make it. I have already created a videos for that on my channel. I will leave it in my description. If you want, you can check it out. Also, I'm planning to recreate them so you guys can understand better. Next week, I will upload the recreated version. But if you can't wait for it, then go to my channel. All videos are useful and working 100%. That's all for today. Make sure to join my Telegram channel for extra bonuses.